Welcome back to Wazobia Max, the Ogbonge television station on top UHF channel 57. And this na as they hold the action political discussion show when they carry all the topic where they come on smoke inside Nigerian political arrangement, drop and down, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk am the way anything be you for body with the ultimate goal of say those when the matter concern go here and take action to move this our country forward. Ezugu Chukudi Anuku be there inside studio and wetin we dey discuss na the frivolous petition bill of 2015 when the APC senator when they represent Kebbi State, Senator Ibn Allah carry come and talk say people when they talk anyhow about our people when they represent us for government say some kind of punishment that they go face. The one wey not create plenty controversy na the one about the social media. Say people when we say through tweets, through WhatsApp, through any form of social media, if you make abusive statements or do some kind of things when we say the aim not to bring the person down or talk lie about person, you must face the music.
And the way this matter don't even come good now. One of them, the right, and that is one of the bodies where we say that they come out to come protest and demand for certain rights of people. Don't also come out, that is Sarah. They don't come out, carry the matter, go present before UN. But before we go do anything, before we go continue this particular matter, we could do it. We could collect this call from Oga Lawrence. Oga Lawrence, they call us from Lekki. Good morning, Lawrence. Lawrence, good morning.
Yeah, Nkubi and Chukudi, good morning. How
good morning.
We dey fine. The law.
Yes, so Chukudi, you said it's a video worry Nkubi anyhow. May leave this man now.
Thank you. Thank you. Help me tell him.
Okay, I want my contribution a form of action.
Hey, Lawrence,
I know the question.
No, come the guest question. Oga Lawrence, I beg me, you even Nkubi, I beg you, just try call back, please. Chukudi, let us move on.
I said I know the question we want.
No, ask any know whether I go anytime I know what you ask you. Ask. No, just talk. Don't because I don't like people assuming. I don't live on assumption. Now part of what you talk. You don't try bring that to say where our government go look if you go talk say hey, you don't talk what you don't talk. Instead Oga Lawrence be government official on a government representative.
This same thing now Oga Lawrence talk.
You go talk say Oga Lawrence want talk say yes. Maybe you just go talk anything. And maybe nobody want talk. If Oga Lawrence be government official now, he don't see you catch.
Nigerians, look at me.
Maybe now 2 years if you don't cry for prison for 2 years, now say, hey, if I had done, I for not talk with now talk.
You don't allow me even talk my.
Why I allow you? Why I go allow you?
You are taking me back to 1984 or Decree 4.
No, you started the Decree 4.
You don't even allow me make my contribution. You know what I want to talk? Say I know the question.
I don't leave.
But I must ask the question.
You will not. Chukudi, I say you will not.
Nkubi, this is dictatorship.
No, I'm not dictating. I'm not I'm not under any this.
You are trying to gag me.
I'm not gagging you.
I have freedom of expression. Oh.
I also have freedom of expression. Oga Yusuf, please express your own freedom of expression. Make we hear you. Good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Yusuf.
So how today now?
We dey fine.
Okay. My own contribution is saying I no support that bill with the pass because for we to know wetin dey happen in government, they're not supposed to fight that kind of bill. So, and then some people are come they talk say the past government and wetin they use to flog the other one outside with that. Not be like that because that thing don't dey before those government come on. They don't put law on it. So how people go come they say that one they use. Now they create them. No be APC create them now. It don't dey.
No, he dey on ground. We dey on ground. Yeah.
He dey on ground. Why people come they say now they use flog the other government? Not be like that. But this one where APC government want to talk say they go put bill where people not go to use. Me I no support that one. I no support that talk because now we go know wetin dey happen in government. How everything they go. Now we go say no. But another one be saying make people know they write wetin they no see.
Wetin they no know see, yes.
Wetin they no know about it. Make they know they talk. You know good. Even past government, there are many things that they talk about the PDP government. When we say it no happen. So we not supposed to be like that. Maybe they tell the truth.
Oga Yusuf, thank you very much. This is your contribution when you don't contribute. It is very, very fair and balanced. You don't state them clearly, say, if people when they talk, say they use and bring the other government down, say it no be true 100% because of, say, these mediums don't they already. But you also admit, say, people use them talk things when we say no be true, and you can't wrap them up with something wey dey very very important. Say we as a people must be conscious of the kind things when we dey talk. No be say people go come take advantage, say okay because I get the right to express myself and these mediums dey, nobody fit check me. You come dey spread things when we say na lie, because some of this false information, the damage when the thing dey cause go very very far before people come find out say this thing na false or whether na true. So as a people, we suppose put our country first. We suppose put the interest of everybody for Nigeria first before we come dey do anything, because if we dey spread things when we say no be true, or we know say this thing wey we dey do, we just wan use am to spoil person name, the kind things wey we say the thing go cause, if it creates even more problem when we say from the very very start we no look am. So e dey very important as we dey express our right to say we dey talk our things, make we dey know the kind things wey we dey talk, make e no be lie.
But even at that, Chukwudi, they talk something. Serap carried this particular matter present before UN, and maybe UN, that is the United Nations, we make up, we say a lot of countries, a lot of countries now be members of this thing. Where they also give us the rights, where they also at least preach some rights. Say, okay, everybody gets some level of right to express themselves and all that. Okay, make we know as how far this matter will eventually go, to also see if they will intervene into the matter. But even at that, still on this issue, I want as okay, our government officials supposed to say, make them find balance. Because the way they present them to Nigerians right now, they don't present them in the way we say Nigerians just they locked out of a lot of things right now. Just like say they present them to us in the way we say right now we don't they crucified. Like somehow something related to that, say we don't go feel move body or even talk one small thing. Even if now one single word you drop for social media about one thing, they feel just see and say this one a crime. You don't violate the law, and for that reason you go do it. You go either serve your jail time or make you pay money, and money we will talk about. The money we say a lot of us no go fit do it. No go fit even afford in the first place. You understand? Just like say that time. So what I try to say, make them feel find balance. And if they really investigate on top of anybody who carry out false information, make them conduct them well, so that I will not say yes, this person. Once everything we don't check about and they false, and everything that we put on social media they false, and for that reason, see you go serve your own, you go see the punishment you go serve. But once you don't come make and say okay, throw out to every Nigerian, like say just like say it to me see what see how far I've done here. Just like say our relationship with government right now, it don't take slide, it don't withdraw somehow. Because now when we talk, people where they represent us go hear.
True.
But once them know they do what they do, and they can't expect us to keep quiet.
Exactly.
No, we just they watch them. They move on with that lifestyle. You see, say that relationship today again.
Very true.
Because they don't tie us down. They don't seal our hands. They make we no talk.
Exactly.
Because now witness they see us.
Exactly. And it go dey important make anybody when we say they government, they represent in people to know saying they answerable to in people.
In the first place, government is about this thing. These people are not, okay, fine. It is a collective will. Everybody be government. Everybody's supposed to express themselves. But even at that, we'll also do it. Come bring our point, say, okay, see, go represent us. Now we they send you this message.
True.
You understand? And we expect me they represent us well. You understand? And make it be something we go turn the other way around.
Very true.
You understand? So now what thing we supposed to look for? They are supposed to be our servants rather than people who go they say as Oga.
Very true.
You understand? So I mean,
and it's very, very important when we say, person when we say, if they provide leadership, if they provide servitude through leadership, that is, if they serve even though he be leader. If your people talk, the one will pain them well. Now your own, now it in your own interest to come out to explain, say, clearly, this is the way you talk. When these people talk, no be true. See the real one here to come out, come give proof. Make I give one example. When we be here, say, some information come and say the former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan say he spent 64 billion on top of national celebrations. People when they in government that time when we say na their responsibility to see say okay now like this we dey spend money, then give breakdown to say this thing when they talk na lie, see as the thing be, see as that thing be. But we suppose take this thing a step further. We don't get out for our law say you know fit defame the character of person. You know if you just come and come talk, even though you know say this thing a lie, but you just want to talk and to bring this person name to disrepute. You must ensure say that person you carry and go court, and our court suppose fit quickly that kind of case make them give judgment, because case when they use the spoil person name if you spoil all the good name when person don build for so many years, you can't spoil am now. Na something wey be say he go need to live with for the rest of his life. So e dey very very important make e be say this part of our law wey already dey down say nobody go just take advantage of say okay I get the right to express myself, I go talk anyhow, I go abuse person, I go do anything, dem no go fit do am. Because in truth a lot of Nigerians dey take advantage of say we get right to express ourselves and we go just talk the one wey dey our mind. Even though we get right to talk the one wey dey our mind, we suppose dey very very careful and cautious. But e dey important wey be say those wey dey represent us make e no be like say dem wan place theirself for level wey be say we no go fit talk to them again. Because if you are isolated from your people, wetin go be the way forward? We get Oga Lawrence. He dey call us back from Lekki. Oga Lawrence, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oga Lawrence.
Yes, Chukudi Nkubi, thanks for allowing me to come the second time.
Thank you, sir.
Chukudi, you say you know what I want to talk. Can you tell me what I want to talk?
No, make it, as you don't call us for the second time, may I allow you that respect.
If you tell am now, shebi make you go jail. Talk go jare with the Oga Lawrence.
Okay, make I no waste enough time.
Okay.
This as say good to the big false information that is capable of hitting the and causing katakata here and there. Say person talk like this way no happen. The bill, if well packaged, go control the way people they carry rumor up and down.
Yes, if well packaged.
Them no make rigid for information to feed the flow freely. Make people need the feed. Okay, I want talk something where I see say happen. I get to go court, go swear after the feed. Who get that time? Many other things with them title.
Exactly.
You understand? Now, my own question now, what you want to ask another say this frivolous bill, whatever. Hope say then get a side of the bill where go hold government people accountable. For instance, if government people come they lie to us.
Okay.
Give us wrong information. Somebody will come saying do this, do that. Meanwhile, he no do am. Somebody will come say Jonathan spent 50-something billion to celebrate October 1st. Meanwhile, it no happen. Then we use punish those government people.
Exactly.
You go claim say you do road. You go claim say you do that. You no do am. The bill gets corner for inside the bill where good. Then we take punish government people.
Government of yes.
Remember my question.
Oga Lawrence, thank you very much. And I also believe say as you don't raise this question, the right people they also hear you right now to also know say okay you don't make law for the populace, for the Nigerians. Law will be say we go at least reduce the way that they carry misinformation. Okay, what about una wey dey in government? Waiting go be on our own case if somehow in the end una will say na road na to do anything, give us good governance. Because you say maybe a lot of the promises we na promise us, we no can see any iota of truth inside them. Waiting go be on our own punishment and waiting be that law we don't put in place. You go also say, okay, now don't break the law. See the punishment now will serve.
Exactly.
Oga Lawrence, thank you for that. And from this, we also go straight to Amsterdam. Go collect this call from Oga Bobby. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning. Ukubi, you talk plenty. They wait for line since they wait.
No, Oga Bobby, ride on.
Yeah? Anyway, good morning first.
Good morning.
Greet you, Oga Bobby.
What I want to talk, they want say na APC people now they do this thing now. I want to remember now say during when they want election time, before election time self, you know, say they want the newspaper when carry say Buhari say go make good luck administration or governable. I remember, Sha?
Okay.
Because not be Buhari talk that thing. Who talk are different, the newspaper carrying wrong rumor. Now Buhari say not go sign now. Say not go sign this bill when they pass through. Because to tell you say Buhari not there, he there against all this kind of nonsense things there. So not only good luck the administration, they carry rumor of bad news of. You understand me now, everything you get to get your facts first before you pass any kind of rumor. But you know me say this kind of law supposed to take place in Nigeria. You understand me now? So there's no way where we say rumor let it take place. Fabrication of stories, the day. So but you know me say you want the government go come keep person or you go say this kind of thing not go happen because it's a bad rumor. Yes. You must be criticized. They will criticize you for anything what you do. Even as we as a human being, they will criticize you. Even I remember I wanted to watch a CNN one time. One a cartoon guy for South Africa. He made cartoon about Mandela. You know, they criticized the Mandela government. Mandela called the guy. He said him like what the guy they do. He said because they encourage her to do more. That is to tell you, say criticism good for a government. You understand me? So that's what I want to contribute for today.
Okay, Bobby, thank you very much for that contribution.
Okay, Bobby, this is your contribution. The thing touch us well. Because you don't make them clear, say, normally, those when we say they for government, they're supposed to they ride on the wave of criticism.
Yes.
Because if people they criticize you with the intent to say they won't bring you down, if you they do what you supposed to do, that way you go to convince them, say, okay, oh, what are they do now? The written and shame go to carry those when we say somehow they be detractors when we say they won't use their talk to bring your own name down. Make I revisit what Oga Yusuf talk. The question when he raised, Oga Yusuf be talk say, if we look all this bill from section 1 to section 4, it be like say nothing there about say, okay, oh, if person don't carry petition come, if the petition no come be frivolous petition, that is to say, the person he swear affidavit, he submit am for state high court or federal high court, he don't carry and come, they can't see and they can't investigate and can't say the thing are true. Wetin go happen to the person when we say he carry that thing come up against? Very important question, and he somehow and why some people they look say okay, oh, it can't be like say this law they one-sided because even like I talked earlier, if we check this thing well, if nobody trust deficit when they between the government and the people when say people they look say government, it be like say those when they there everything when they do now about themselves. Or for a very long time, anybody when go government, are just in pocket thinking about, say we no trust government again. This kind of thing, I think when go protect person when we say, he's supposed to represent us and do work for us. If indeed, I vote for this person, say, me and you, we believe in this person, may he go represent us. And somebody when just no like him, want they do everything to bring him down, to make him no concentrate. He's supposed to be protect him from that kind of thing. Say somebody go wake up, say, hey, this man, or he get this money for this account, or he get 200 cars, or he get this, he get that. He's supposed to protect them. But because of say Nigerians don't reach the level where we say, anything when you hear about our politician, he go be, to even look say you know possible.
Secretly, I'm not going to blame Nigerians. Sincerely, I'm not going to blame Nigerians because we could also bring her this way. Okay, we talk about say right about now, say our pocket don't dey dry, and it's a lot of sectors that are coming up with the thought. So okay, make we cut costs. You understand? Okay, in this case, cutting costs. They don't present this thing on few occasions to our senators and this, and they know they even won't blink on this particular matter.
We go blink by taking small break.
Okay,
make we take this small break. If we take this small break, go come back. We'll continue our discussion as it gets to do with the frivolous petition bill of 2015. We don't generate plenty public opprobrium inside of Obodo, Nigeria. No go anywhere and still as it dey hot. Welcome back to As It Dey Hot on top Wazobia Max, the chairman television station on top UHF channel 57. And we discuss the frivolous petition bill of 2015 when don't generate plenty talk inside Nigerian political arrangement. Plenty people don't come and talk, say, like, say this bill now just to protect the interest of our elected representatives. Other people don't talk, say, if we look the bill, somehow, since some people, they take advantage of the fact, say, they get freedom of expression, they call the abuse them, say, it go good, make we get these things in place. But we, they talk about top as the odd say, as Nigerians, it's important make we they contribute for this discussion, so that at the end, we will take the one when go sweet all of us, come put them into motion, because if Nigeria better, it done better for all of us with that.
Yes, I mean, they talk about the issue of, say, okay, with the cut cost and all that. And Akara enter the Senate and the House of that is our assembly then. And if for this place, nobody even looks, okay, because of say we don't enter this kind small financial challenge, we could also join hand, or we could also cut together, make ensure, say, we do it, we bring down our money. Just like, say, for me, just as people, they assume, say, okay, once it comes to that any law will go protect their interests, they no mind. But law will say we go speak up or probably criticize their interests. Then they do it and they normally push come out on time. You understand? When was this bill? That just something we just come out recently, and see how rapid and how fast the bill don't they go. You'll be like, you understand? You see how fast don't they go. But bills will be say for me, I still talking bills will be say you could rather give us that thought. Say yes, we are Nigerians and we get government where they really work. You understand? We know they see those ones scale through bills. We know they see those ones being passed into law. You understand? Rather than wait till they see now. Something like, let me regard as the opposite of waiting they're supposed to do. We get Oga John from Maryland. Good morning, Oga John. John, good morning.
Sir. Good morning, sir.
I beg, bring down the volume of your TV set, I beg.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. Right on, we hear you.
Okay, my contribution is, if our top government officials are doing what is right, nobody will at least talk now on them. So since we are not in military system of government, everybody have right to speak his mind. That's my contribution. Thank you.
Oga John, straight to the point, all the way from Maryland. You just talk and say, since we know they for military government, where people go suspend the constitution, can they rule by decrees or edicts, say they important, make people they express themselves. We go they emphasize them here, say, for democracy, they say a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Everybody is supposed to participate inside. But it also very, very important, make they point them out, say, if government now for all of us, and all of us supposed to participate inside, make we not carry our own hand, they spoil that government when belong to all of us. So it's very, very important, make it be say, people when they spread lies about government with the intent to spoil government or cause katakata and confusion inside our society, make we know they listen to those kind of people. And if we say things when we say, you know, they work well, it's very important make we talk am. If we gag people or we talk, say, this person need to go through all this process before he talk. If he says, say, something, you know, they go right, or if he say something, you know, they go right, now he be say, wahala don't they? And it's very, very important, make it be, say, government of change. And by government of change now, I mean, say, government when they now, when don't promise Nigerians, say, this new government when you do so, whether PDP or APC or any political party, now for also they move forward and they make progress for our country. If it can't be like, say, the government, when they carry us, go back to days when we say, we don't get right to talk. Now, if we say that change, it go be like, say, somehow, we never start them. And we're not supposed to see discrepancies, I go speak English, between the executive and the legislature. Because if Oga Predo don't come and talk, say, anything when go be like, say, people no go feel express themselves, he go wash his hand, come out. He be like, say, showdown, go day. Because if our senators, them, they bent on, say, yes, so this law, we won't follow them, and Oga Predo talk, say, he no go support them. Now, he be saying, a final battle. Now he go be
well, the point be say yes. Our God President get his own opinion about this. The House and the House of Senate get their own opinion. But the major thing is say if Oga President opinion, he get his own viewpoints. Okay, we could do it like this, and this will they come with this particular one. And in the end, we will just see as they will take resolve them. Make them feel balance our wells. Where we say in the end, nobody go take it of say we will not do the right way we're supposed to. At least Nigerians go there rest assured say yes, okay, the Lord, they don't look into that, they don't readjust, they don't ensure say at least transparency go there inside, they don't ensure say at least it don't balance a point where you say even if we talk, I will know say we they talk the right thing. We know nobody can they hold us responsible, say you guys said something we know they are appropriate, and for that is being accountable. Because right about now, how it be Nigerians go even when Nigerians see truth. The way I say, even when Nigerians see truth, they had them to even come out and talk about that because of they don't know where the kind of law will say will come out from some
exactly.
Say okay, make them buy you. Oga Patrick, they call us from Lekki. Good morning, Patrick.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What I'm trying to say about this thing that all this our government, the way they are doing their things, the way they talk, and what they are. This freedom of speech, had it been that is something concerning our road now, something concerning about electricity in Nigeria here, this is how many years we are talking about light. I know how many years that it took before this light now, we started to have light just as little as it is. But now it's something concerning them that nobody should speak against them, nobody should talk anything against them. That's the reason why they just stand it. When they thief our money, carry our money, go away, nobody should talk anything about it. It's because now just because of the thing that you affect, or if woman talk say that Mr. This also AY that what you are doing is not good, or the way that you are doing us treating us is not good. Now they say that you carry you pay for a fine of 4 million naira or what. That is very wrong.
So that's my own contribution. Is this is a bad government strategy. I think this the way of things are going on now. I don't think when they say change, we change. They don't know what to. The change, they are not following it up again. Now, the thing no be so it's supposed to be.
Oga Patrick, thank you very much for this your important contribution. From the way they talk, everybody knows say Oga Patrick the para. This one it is very very clear. Say any attempt to make them difficult for Nigerians to talk inside this country wey belong to all of us, say Nigerians no go gree. Say the headlines, all the newspapers, people don already dey carry waka, dey go the National Assembly, they talk say make una face wetin dey important to Nigerians. We get issue of roads when the vice president talk say for southeast, he don take him eye see the thing dey bad, say government go do quick. We get unemployment, we get insecurity. People they talk say make them face that one. Say if they begin to do that one, Nigerians go look say all this is when they talk about them, it don't even matter because government they indeed they work and we they see them. Government now about accountability. If you know they accountable to the people who elect you there, now be say wahala don dey. We dey appeal to everybody when they say Obodo Nigeria say yes, we know say some bad people they take advantage of the fact say they get the right to express themselves. They can't they spread falsehood or lies. It is important now why on top of us in the hot we try our best to dey educate and inform Nigerians, even though we dey talk for language where everybody understand say yes, so make we dey do them like this, make all of us they contribute so that this country will belong to all of us, we go move them forward.
Yeah, so moving it forward now be the cocoa, and that moving it forward now the platform we go dey because collectively we need to do it to move our country forward for at least for greatness. We get Oga Zino. Zino, they call us from Lekki. Good morning, Zino.
Good morning to you.
Okay, madam. Good morning.
I know be madam, be man.
Okay. Oh, you be man?
Yes.
Good morning, Zino.
Good morning to you.
Yeah.
See, this is when we dey talk,
Okay.
When they say APC use social media, they get power.
Okay.
It simply means they use social media to expose some of the things that the former government were doing that made the people to vote for them. In other words, they make people to hate the other government because they expose their ills. And if it is not through the social media, we cannot know all those things. So if they not come out now, they don't want us to know their ills, they don't want us to know their secrets, and they want to shut down social media. That's not a good decision. That's the point I want to make.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. As we thank Oga Zino, we also thank Oga Patrick when call us from Lekki, John from Maryland, Bobby from Amsterdam, Yusuf from Lekki, Lawrence from Lekki, Igo from Abuja, and Oga Osahon from Aja. All those when we say try to call, but the thing no connect, sake of say our line they busy, and make una no vex. We appreciate una. Those when watch, I beg, make una spread the word. Tell una people say Wazobia Max, everything maximum Wazobia. Our language and the talk when we say everybody understand. And the Ogbonge television program as the hot when give you license to talk am the way anything be you for body. We know the hide mouth, we know the fear. We will continue to the talk am. We always talk am say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on plenty smoke to discuss the thing as the hot. Unkubi.
Yes, see tomorrow our viewers from me, Unkubi. I will say bye. So
talk bye where? Which one be bye?
Give me
bye.
That water,
Which one be bye?
Give me water.
Why you know they respect our viewers? See the thing, see the show. Bye.
The time is I respect viewers. Okay, wait. Give me something.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.